In this video, we will talk about parametric objects and editable objects. When we say an object is parametric, it means the object has parameters that can be changed to manipulate the shape of that object. Let's create two cubes to demonstrate that. Now, both these cubes are now parametric objects. When you select a cube, you see that there's parameters here you can change to manipulate the shape of the cube. Let's convert this second cube into an editable object, and then I can explain the differences. So click this icon here with the cube selected to convert it to an editable object. Now this cube is an editable object. Notice that with the parametric cube selected, you have parameters here, but with the editable cube selected, the parameters are gone. This means that in order to change the shape of this editable object, this one, you need to manipulate either the points, the polygon faces, or the edges. And in order to do that, we have to switch the mode. So when you come to the top here, we have the modes of the object. We have the point mode, the edge mode, and the polygon mode, which is the faces. If you have the polygon mode selected, you can select the face of that object and manipulate it. But you see, you cannot select faces of a parametric object, but you can on an editable object. Same as the point, you can select the point and manipulate it, but you can't on a parametric object. So those are the difference between a parametric and an editable object in Cinema 4D.